Okay, so this is Major General Retired Bryan Watson. I'm coming to you from the Protection and Maneuver Sport Expo. I'm going to just tell you, we'll get to talking to these guys because what I'm doing is far more interesting right now. I am walking literally through Gaza. We have a technology now that allows us to take the imagery and connect you, and I am literally walking in the streets of Gaza after it's been war-torn. And I think about the capability that brings to a young soldier to be able to take now imagery, geospatial data, and bring it to you in a way that is a very usable format. And just a few minutes ago, we had a couple of these on, and now both of us are walking through, and by a simple point, we're able to see each other and have a conversation about the operational impacts of this environment and how we're going to plan a particular operation. And so Jorge and Matt are with the Army Geospatial Center. Can you guys talk a little bit about this? What is the technology? And I am blown away about the potential.
Yes, sir. So the software that you're using is called Skyline.
Skyline.
Yes, sir. And the capability that you're currently seeing is that you're using the HoloLens to actually project the data set that is within Skyline data set. So right now, what we have is collected a lot of the imagery data sets where really there are frames, and within the frames we have a software called Photo Mesh, and they have the ability to actually mesh all those pictures together and provide you a real world life scenario in a virtual setting. This capability right now, we have the ability to actually create different visualizations between two different locations. So let's say you're right here in Fort Leavenworth, sir, and you have another commander in St. Louis. So both of you guys are able to talk and see the same capability or the same imagery in this the same time and talk to each other. Right here I have Kevin Johnson. He actually could speak a little bit more about the capability. Kevin?
So Kevin, you're with Skyline?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So yeah, just kind of like as Jorge said, we have another software called Photo Mesh that integrates all those imagery photogrammetrically. You also can incorporate LiDAR as well to even enhance it. You can either do one or the other, and at the same time output multiple outputs, SLBKs, 3D tiles, however, all at the same time.
Yeah, so I mean, I cannot express just how blown away I am and the potential I see. So if I'm out doing a river crossing, I got my recon unit, they've got a LiDAR down there, maybe it's on a UGV, they're able to collect both the LiDAR data and the imagery data. They come back, my reconnaissance downloads it. The commander could walk literally the crossing site.
So I'm glad you mentioned that, because right behind you, this is a data set that we provided to the MFire capability on doing SLPK. So just imagine you actually having the same capability and then now providing it to 12 Bravos in a different capability. So that's something that's kind of like we're jumping different mission command systems or different program of record systems.
Yeah, and then as you said, you could have two commanders each in their respective command posts.
Yes, sir.
They put this on. We're able to now literally do rehearsals, walk through the terrain.
Yes, sir.
That is phenomenal, phenomenal.
So now you mentioned, what's ahead. So what we're talking ahead is kind of like now you're walking globally. You're walking globally. So right now you're seeing St. Louis, but I could actually...
So you're going to take me to a Cardinals game in real time? Is that what we're doing here?
So I wish we could actually get there. So just now it's like what is...
There's a brewery not far from there.
Oh, absolutely. We could actually, when we're trying to see if we could incorporate the global data set into the goggles. So now we're walking virtually into this type of capability. We're gonna jump real quick, and hopefully it works with me. So Washington, I do my thing. Oh, this cut up and we could about so. Here you go. Let's see if we could actually have this. So now just imagine you're actually walking from one scenario to another scenario. You're actually going from one location, a specific mission to another specific mission.
Yes.
And now you could have the ability to go from one commander to another commander and actually provide the same type of mission set.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to walk into the Oval Office right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But
So look, this is phenomenal. And here's the thing, for the young soldier, young leader, this is out there now.
yes, it is out there now.
This is now.
Yes.
It's a capability that's out there. And, as we've been talking to all the other geospatial folks,
Yes, sir.
it's all about how we get the data. How can we ingest the data? How can we make it in a single format that's usable? It seems to me that if it can't be used by this,
Absolutely.
then, this is where you really can do mission rehearsals
Absolutely.
real time. So I just want to thank you for letting me not only see what is possible today, but where this is going. So Kevin, thanks again very much. Jorge, thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much, sir.
Again, Army Geospatial Center. You need to go on Google, look up Skyline, look at what some of this is. It is fascinating. So thanks again.
Thank you very much, sir.